So what is a pulse sequence? Who's buried in Grant's tomb? Grant. So a pulse sequence is a sequence of pulses. And in MR, we pulse on the RF, and we also pulse on gradients with certain timings between these pulses in order to achieve the images that we desire. So what you see on the slide here are three main colors of images. And almost everything we do in MRI falls under these three main color categories. We have the T1 color of image, we have the T2 color of image, and the proton density color of image. Now, how do we acquire these images? We have two main families of images. We have the spin echo family of image. And rule of thumb, to oversimplify this, the spin echo family is generally the higher quality acquisition, but generally is going to take a little bit longer to acquire. The other family is the gradient echo family. The gradient echo family is usually a little bit quicker to acquire and usually a little bit poorer in image quality because of artifacts. And so we'll talk about why that occurs in just a little bit. So what you see here on the slide is all of the different pulse sequences. And I'm not going to read them all to you, but I'm just going to go down, for example, under the T1s, just to give you an idea of what I'm talking about. If you look under the T1 category, you will see that you can acquire a T1 weighted image with a spin echo acquisition. And you can do that with a short TR and a short TE. You can also get a T1 weighted image with a turbo spin echo or a fast spin echo acquisition. And you can do that with a short TR and a short TE. And you should do that with also a short turbo factor or turbo factor or echo train length. And we'll talk about that when we get to the fast spin echo or turbo spin echo explanation later on. You can get a T1 weighted image with an inversion recovery sequence. You can get a T1 weighted image with a fast inversion recovery sequence. And all of that comes in the spin echo family. Now, can you get T1 information from the gradient echo family? Absolutely. You can get a T1 weighted image with a spoiled or an incoherent or a fast field echo, T1 weighted. And that's a quicker acquisition, but it's going to have some artifacts. Time of flight MRA falls in the T1 category, as well as enhanced MRA. So basically, there's a million ways to get the same type of information. And at the end of the day, most of the time, the decision is made by how good do you want it and how much time are you willing to spend acquiring the image.